Hi everybody. That sounds crazy. Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the Heather's channel and your new installation or episode of Inexpensive Wiggery. This is going to be number, I think, 25. And for those who are diligent watchers, I know what you're thinking. She said when she starts 25, she gonna do celebrity inspired hair styles, looks, colors, whatever. I know, I hear you and I feel you. But I had a couple of weeks to review before that, didn't realize it, and had to postpone wiggeries regarding celebrities. And by the way, no, I have no wiggery wine. I have no fun stories ahead of, you know, unveiling the new hair. Sorry, I am not wearing the wig from the previous video. This is becoming my clutch wig when I'm not able to wear my wig from the previous video. I will throw this bad boy on, mainly because my mother took that wig to wear to a superhero costume party for Halloween, and she was stormed, so obviously she stole my wig. So that's a dub, you know, and it's written off. And to be honest, exactly what I thought of it, I feel. It does hold heat extremely well, so that I was pretty impressed with. It really got like a real sleek, flat look. The only problem is the front not having any, like, it was just terrible. It's so terrible. I think I may have overplucked the front because it's a little baldy here, and even though that's good in a lace wig or anything else, that's not good when there is no lace, because that just shows the beige of the, I guess, I don't know, like the material of the cap. And we're gonna jump right into this video. I was sent this wig by Lucyhairwig. It comes in this nice little plastic. I love these plastic bags because they make for great keeping of your wig. And then it comes inside another. They sent me out this wig to review. We're gonna see what it's like. Ay, golly. Inside of the plastic just came a little postcard with some of the other wigs that they have, and saying, you know, basically care instructions for your wig and how to find them on Instagram. So that's their little brochure, so I should say, not postcard. And it's just a straight, long, luxurious body wave in the color black, which is pretty cool. I'm kind of loving myself in black right now, so I'm very happy to receive some black hair. And off the jump, I know I say things feel silky, but this feels human hair silky. This does not feel like your typical synthetic wig silky, because that still has kind of a little crunch to it, even though it has that real smooth texture and feel. The smell is kind of like what a wig would smell like if you open it straight out the box. They have kind of their own smell. I can't really identify it, but it doesn't stink, so that's good. I'm not sure of the length of this hair. I wasn't given any, like, you know, specs on it or stats on the hair. It has a very small middle part in the front. This is the cap. Like I said in previous videos, if caps aren't that different, I'm not really going to go into any like detail about the cap, but I will say there is no back clip. We know how I feel about that. The stretch is pretty good, so I think you'll be good. Lace is not a hard lace. It is a soft lace. I wouldn't go as far as to say silk, but silk-esque. So now you can kind of see the texture of the hair a little bit. Looking silky. And here is the hairline. I think the pluck job is average. There's nothing really that incredible about that. We'll see what it looks like once it's on my head. I do like this side though. Let me see. This side looks pretty good as far as like natural hairline plucking. I think the hairline is pretty decent. As far as the parting space, it's very small. It's not much to work with, but for me that is perfectly fine. I do not like incredibly deep parts. It's not my thing. But if you want, you know, the part that they have here, you can pull it back a little bit. I would say a significant amount of space to part as far as the width goes, but the length is only in the center that it can go that long. So I doubt that I'll do any plucking on this, because I feel like I might want to do middle and side parts. And when I do a side part, it's not really a part, it's just a toss over. So let's do a wig switch, get the show on the road. I'm back. So I've been playing with it, I've been brushing through it. So far in all of this playing, I feel like the only thing I need to do is pluck a little more of the front, just because for me it's too blunt of a, like, my forehead, then bam, all this hair. So I feel like for me a little bit more thinning of this part, just because it doesn't look natural to the hair that's coming. Even though I don't have my own hair out, you can just kind of tell that it's light at my hairline, so it just doesn't feel right for it to be this thick. So I'm gonna definitely have to do a little plucking. But as far as the hair itself, it feels so good, and it does get a little tangled whenever I toss it around. It gets a little tangled, but it's long hair, and long hair gets tangled. But I've been brushing through it quite a bit, and I wanted to show you. I just wanted to do like at least 10 strokes right now. Well, probably more than that because I'm not counting. But, you know, just enough to get your hair contained. And I just love this body-like wave. I love it. I swear to God, it gives me total virgin hair vibes. This is virgin hair, boo. And it's thick. You know what? To be honest, I feel like this is almost identical to, well, as far as like style, to the pink wig I did last year. And I'm going to, you know, give a link to that video. If you have not seen it, please watch it. That is what you know, that's the vibe that I feel like I'm getting right now. That is a good, that's a whole fist beat. That's a whole fist beat. Like, yeah, that is thick. Got me out here looking like Morticia Adams, baby. I know I look dead, that's what I mean. But I mean, you know how her hair look real thick and good. That's what I mean. Like, okay, so after all that brushing, this is all the hair that comes out. And please forgive, this is hair from another wig too, but literally this is it. And that's pretty good, because that's still from when I was brushing off camera. And then I wanted to toss it over to the side. Hold on. But ugh, Lord, no, I don't think this is my favorite toss over. Yeah, no. Let me see. I look like I have a Trump comb over, like dead eyes. Like I have your grandfather's comb over in my hair right now. No, it's not. It's too like fine. Yeah, like it does a great job. I mean, and of course that's always in the beginning. We gotta talk about the next wear and the next wear and the next wear. That's when we're gonna know how well this fares against some wears. Bro, all I do is flow. Like, that's all I do. Like, why wasn't I a rapper? Ooh, I'm hungry. I think it's time for a 360. What do y'all think? I think this was pretty straightforward, right to the point. Just a basic black wig with some nice body wave in it. I can appreciate this. I will do just fine with this in the winter, considering that we're getting up on some colder weather, even though it's been like 70 degrees for the last couple of days in New York City. You know, I'm pretty content content with this. I love the texture of it so far. Like I said, it's giving me the straight pink hair vibes that I reviewed last year. How much was this wig? Just no more than $40. I will find how much it costs and I will list that down below. And I think it's worth it. Ooh, 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 ooh. And I think that covered everything. I think I'm gonna give this wig, have I been rating the last couple of wigs? I've been falling off, I think. I think I'm gonna rate this wig like a 6.5, 7. Because, you know, it's pretty basic. It's nothing that's like out of this world, other than the way the synthetic just feels so great. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe now. You should have subscribed already. And don't forget to click that bell so you get the notification so you know when I have a post. And with that said, you know how it goes. Be cool like how you be cool. Always. I love you guys. I will see you in the next wiggery, number 26.